missing a wet ingredient.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Hey, what's up, Dream Chasers? Welcome back to the Extraordinary Sisters.
Today's
Adventure.
adventure is Christmas cookies with Grandma.
Thanks for being here, Grandma.
Yeah.
Make sure you
Like and subscribe.
and hit that notification bell.
Ding.
Let's
Let's go.
What are we making, Grandma?
Chocolate chip cookies.
2 eggs.
One teaspoon of baking soda.
There you go.
Let's slide it off on there. Good. And it says a teaspoon of salt, but I wouldn't put a teaspoon in it.
Yes. And then you need that same amount of the
Brown sugar.
brown.
Packed, did you say?
Yep, packed.
Yeah.
That was kind of sad.
3 cups of good.
Yep. Oh, I mean, it's in the bag. Go for it. So she put 3/4 cup sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 2 eggs so far.
If you guys remember, we did this like a couple years ago, like 4 or something like that.
Yep. Oh, well, I mean, you need to get busy. You have one ingredient in your bowl.
Okay, now you need stir them up first, and can you soften that up just a little bit?
Well,
In the
just stir
microwave?
them for a minute, and then, yeah, we can do that.
Where did it go?
I don't like the smell of butter.
Me either. That's why my mother ended up buying butter and margarine.
Whoa!
I know.
Alicia's finally got 2 ingredients in her bowl. I would do
2 to 3.
I would do 3. It says 2 1/4, but for here I would do 3,
3.
and I would do 1 at a time.
Yep.
That's why you wear an
I
apron.
didn't do that. I'm going to talk about.
Are you done with this?
No,
You have the iron permanent.
no, she needs 2 more cups of it.
Heavy.
Well, at least you got enough so when you go and make pies for Christmas.
Yeah.
You guys want a video for that?
Yeah. Or how about a live?
Yeah.
Live, going live, making
Well-
Christmas pies.
And we'll maybe doing games too.
Give me your measuring cup.
It literally tastes like the sugar cookie top, the icing on them.
It really does. Whipped sweet cream frosting from Pillsbury. Anyways.
I'm gonna use the 3rd cup instead of
Mm.
Why the heck did you put it on the side, my guy?
4. Because you were moving the spoon.
How much?
You could
Well, you
put
want more than that.
Yeah, you put pretty much the whole bag. You're supposed to. But if you don't want them all, you don't have to. But go for it. Looks like you're missing a wet ingredient.
Yeah, I don't know what. I put a cup of sugar, a cup of butter, and a half cup of butter, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk. What else? These tablespoons of vanilla extract.
Put them in, and then, and if it's not wet enough, put more flour in it. I mean, more milk in it.
There you go. Good.
I always roll to that. Yeah, now you can get a
Cookie sheet and you can
yeah.
start baking. First batch of cookies going in. I get the first cookie coming out.
No.
Ah! They're
I
my
made 'em.
favorite. They're my favorite.
Here, you want some?
Yeah, I like it.
put on the second one. Turn it sideways. There you
So
go.
now I have to roll this out.
Yeah. Roll
It's
out.
very sticky.
You gotta put butter.
Yeah, it would be nice if I do.
Flour on the table.
It's like Play-Doh.
That's good, probably.
You
Too
go
thin?
through what you want.
Well, it's just not.
You gotta really push down on it and move it back and forth a little bit.
There you go.
And they look. Yeah.
And they made it a little bit longer.
What the heck is that?
That's an angel. Do the angel
What's he
and
doing with
the
his face?
singing.
I forgot to, spray the pan.
But chocolate chip cookies, I mean, you should have probably, but hopefully it'll.
Where'd the other tree go?
I don't know, but do that rocking horse and do that drum
Why?
because I like them.
She's always has.
That's
like
correct.
I like decorating them with them. I like decorating them ones because they have the lines and everything in them.
that. There's some more.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's red. Just
Just
like
like that
this.
candy cane.
Oh, and my hat.
Do the candy cane.
And comment your favorite cookie when we get them decorated. Or what
Or your
kind of
what is your favorite Christmas cookie? Mine will it don't matter what time of year it is. My favorite all-time cookie
All-time cookie.
is chocolate chip. I mean, like I don't really I'm not an Oreo fan. I don't like sugar cookies.
I like the.
I like peanut butter cookies.
I like the ones that are at like Walmart. The sugar cookies at Walmart.
I like the peanut butter blossoms.
Oh, me too.
Grandma, you want to check them? Janae, check out. Check out.
That's okay. Now put it on the pan and just tap it. It should come right out.
Can we touch
Or
that
not.
briefly?
Should
They're
though.
probably going to deflate.
Sometimes they do that.
Give me a knife.
Yes, that's what you need.
Wow.
Who? Can you give me a knife?
Where?
That.
You might have to do that one over.
Yeah.
Yeah, see if you can just peel it out.
Almost ready.
Are you videoing?
Oh, they smell heavenly. Them chocolate chips. Oh, perfect.
They're
Where
too
are the-
thin.
Where are all those chocolate? Aunt Mary.
No, I don't think that'll be Aunt Mary. Aunt Mary's neat for it.
Yes.
But she's just letting us know she's here. So,
They don't grow, right?
Not
Not
There you go,
really.
Mom.
Not yet.
I'm just kidding.
Too a little bit too hot for me.
And where are you gonna put them?
I don't know.
Cooling rack.
All right, we got a rocking horse drum, angel, snowman, star, Santa, my
There's a couple
favorite.
Santas.
Oh yeah, he's my favorite. Stocking, some reindeer, some rocking horses, a gingerbread, an ornament, no,
Heart.
and a heart. Yeah.
Oh, that's Santa.
Oh, that's a Santa. That's his elf, maybe.
For
I need
8
something.
minutes.
She's over here judging me.
I am not.
Oh,
I'm
crap.
just watching you.
Grandma, you were the one who judges them. You're the most judgmental.
But I ain't judging her, I'm just watching her.
I'm a sugar cookie one.
Mm-hmm.
I like doing it with my fingers better.
And do it with your fingers.
I'm getting there. See? See that?
That's what you.
Corn oil. What kind of what? 8 minutes.
Man, I think everybody's judging me.
Nobody's
need
judging
something?
you.
Probably is.
I'm trying to, watch you. Put some more in that. No. Before you put it on the thing. She's a Dorcas.
Why do I gotta do that?
So
I
you,
better-
so you
Yes.
have enough on it.
Yes.
What?
Put a little more on that.
I'm getting there. I know I needed more.
See, everybody doesn't think you know how to bake or do whatever because you never do any of it.
She has though.
Yeah,
She's
she's
been
baking.
doing chocolate chip cookies at least.
Baking.
And what
She's
else?
done
So,
brownies.
I did
brownies.
brownies by myself. Just
And
I
then-
did brownies by myself. That's a new one.
I did not do cheese.
I'm sure you did.
No, she didn't. She said she did brownies. Yeah, she said I did brownies by myself.
By myself.
What?
Keep going.
Nobody said nothing.
Her face
your-
did.
Oh. Well, you and I tell you that your face says something. No, it didn't. Uh-uh.
Be all right.
Keep an eye on.
All right, ready? Going in.
There's those ones.
Yep. Oh, they're looking nice. So the candy cane and the snowman are close touching, and
There's 2 more things down there.
You know, you're not supposed to leave right in the middle of this.
I can't.
Ah.
okay.
It's over there, boy.
Yep. There's a baby one too. Did she take them?
No, they're behind you.
Oh.
Ding.
Ding.
Ding. We're trying to get to 4,500 by the end of the year, so make sure you guys subscribe.
Now we can go. 3-inch boy.
If it snows because you're doing snowflakes, you're in big trouble.
There's another one that's bigger than that. That's not it.
Gotta put Haley's heart in here.
Yeah. Gotta have heart at Christmas time.
Yeah, Grinch.
Excuse you?
You're excused.
Listen, you're the one who didn't like to listen to Christmas music until after Thanksgiving.
Well, yeah, you gotta let the turkey have his day.
Well, the turkey don't have no songs.
Well, he still has to have his day.
That one's prettier.
All right, here. All right, we did that one. We do a conference tree. Oh, that one's
Get
upside
decorated,
down.
Haley. I'm just kidding. The icing's not done yet.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do a sleigh. You could do a snowman or a rocking horse. No, you know, I wouldn't say to do that angel just because that one's really hard to get out.
You hear the air?
I mean,
There's a heart.
that's a big one.
I was looking for that.
Motion detector.
What are you
on the
doing?
Front porch.
Who's it, man? Somebody out there? This does not work out very well. What'd you do that for?
Cause I didn't want you. I didn't want to be in your way.
This is not what I. It's like stringy.
There's blue. Oh, yes, I got some. Oh, that's good.
Rat.
Oh, that's rude. Oh my.
So,
Haley's mountain of cookies.
can we put we need a.
I'll send it to you.
Oh, wait.
Subscribe
To the
extra ordinary
sisters!
Yeah. So we got some done. Like, that was one batch. There's a ton of cookies. We're all
So
tired
many.
of decorating. And Alicia made peanut butter blossoms,
Guys, I made brown out of
green.
yellow, red, blue, and purple. I mean green.
Don't snap at me. I didn't know
I
that.
really can't tell colors today, guys.
Well, it worked. The brown worked.
Yeah.
So
Not the gumdrop button.
right.
You have to be. You can't say it like that.
You do it.
No.
Then leave me alone.
No.
Yeah.
All right.
If you guys liked our very cookie-esque challenge.
Adventure.
Adventure.
Yeah, that's what I meant. You heard wrong.
Okay.
Make sure you
Like and subscribe.
and hit that notification bell. Ding!
And also comment down your favorite cookie or whichever one's your favorite.
Chicka chicka choo choo.
And also, comment down below what your favorite Christmas tradition is.
And make sure you guys subscribe because we're trying to get to 4,500 by the end of the year.
Do it!
Help
See?
us out.
Like this. Looks horrible. Anyways.
Don't put yourself down. Anyway,
Well, she messed up a little, but it doesn't look awful. You can still read it.
don't be afraid to follow a dream.
Have an extraordinary day.
Bye.
Extraordinary sisters out.